Scrum is meant to help teams deliver value faster and with joy. But here's the truth. Even the most agile team can burn out. When burnout hits, it doesn't just impact people, it impacts the product, the customer, and the culture. Today, I'll walk you through 7 signs a Scrum team is burnt out and what you, as a Scrum Master, Agile Coach, or leader, should do about it. Hi, my name is Dionne, SBC and Agile Strategist with years of experience. I want to walk you through solutions in which you can use with your teams to get them past burnout. Velocity declines without a root cause. When a team's velocity consistently drops sprint after sprint, and it's not tied to vacation, holidays, or a shift in priorities, it's often burnout knocking at the door. The team is simply running out of steam. What you would do would be to treat this not as a performance issue, but an opportunity to gain more information from the team. Ask them what's draining their energy. Are they feeling overwhelmed or overcommitted? Help the team to right-size their sprint commitment and focus on sustainable pace. Loss of energy in ceremonies. I don't think I have to tell you exactly what that means, but I'll do it anyway. Your ceremonies become flat, rushed, have a lack of energy and honesty, and all of the engagement begins to fade when burnout creeps in. A way in which you can take action is to re-energize all of your ceremonies with creativity. Allow different people to facilitate various ceremonies. Introduce energized and shortened ceremonies to keep it focused and sharp. Increase defects and missed commitments. When people are stretched thin, they cut corners, leading to more defects and more missed sprint goals. Burnout erodes quality. Commitment slips more often. How do you fix it? Encourage teams to right-size commitments during sprint planning. Reinforce done means done, and protect quality over speed. Remind your product owner and stakeholders that consistent delivery matters more than a rushed delivery. Irritability and conflict. Notice more tension, frustration, and blaming within the team. Healthy conflict turns into personal conflict when people are stretched too thin. We all know that stress amplifies conflict. How do you fix it? First, address conflict quickly. Secondly, coach the team on collaboration. And thirdly, if needed, schedule a team reset workshop to realign on values and purpose. Silent stand-ups. When team members stop sharing blockers, stop asking for help, or give robotic updates, it's a sign of disengagement and an early sign of burnout. As a Scrum Master, you should model vulnerability, ask open-ended questions, and foster psychological safety so blockers can surface. Increased absence and turnover talk. Frequent sick days, late arrivals, or side conversations about quitting often point to burnout. People always assume that the grass is greener on the other side, or they often want to just run away from additional stress that they feel may not be necessary. How do you fix it? Encourage taking time off before it's too late. Partner with the leadership to rebalance workloads and protect the team's well-being. Loss of innovation and creativity. Scrum thrives on problem solving. When team burnout sets in, teams default to just get it done and avoid being innovative, creative, or looking for ways to improve. What actions should be taken? Build time in the sprint for innovations, to work on spikes, to have hackathons, or to create problem-solving sessions. Celebrate experiments, not just outcomes. Here's the takeaway. Burnout doesn't happen overnight, and it won't go away by ignoring it. Scrum Masters, leaders, and organizations must protect a sustainable pace. High-performing teams aren't just the ones that are sprinting the hardest. They're the ones that keep running a marathon. If you're leading agile teams and want proven strategies to keep them motivated, healthy, and high-performing, contact us at kdmjsolutions.com.